Nothing is better than when you're working in the studio, you're working on your business, or you're putting things together and you learn a new trick. You figure out a way to do something more effectively, more efficiently, and it becomes part of your arsenal. So in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you 5 hacks I've learned whilst being in the studio business that I use today to help me work more productively and effectively. One deal though, if you take on board any of these tricks or things that I put out in the next 90 seconds, click like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. All right? Ready, set, go. Okay, my first tip starts in Google Chrome, and that is the Bookmarks folders. What I do is I create stacks for when I have to send out invoices, do my bookkeeping, or respond to messages. And basically these stacks means I can right click on them and open a whole series of tabs which I need to complete a task at one click of a button, rather than opening separate tabs as I need to go along. That saves me heaps of time. My second hack is a little quick one, and it's creating a new email. Rather than actually going into Gmail, seeing my inbox, seeing unread messages and getting distracted, I have this URL which I'm going to leave in the description, and you basically create a bookmark of it, you click on it, and you just have a blank screen to type an email out, rather than seeing all the other junk in your email that might distract you and put you off course. My third little tip is direct download links for Dropbox. Nobody likes the media player Dropbox has because it gives you lossy playback format, so I don't want my clients listening to that. Basically, when you right click a link and go to share it, change the 0 at the end of the file to a 1, and when somebody clicks it, it'll automatically start to download rather than it going through to a web player with a lossy audio format. The next one is template your messages. Let's say you send out an invoice, you send up a mix update, you give some information about a certain thing or a certain response that always is the same. Template in your emails and fill out the details which change, because 80% of what you're going to write in emails is going to be repetitive. You can just save time by having a general gist of it already templated out in your email templates on Gmail. And the last tip is release calendar. Let's say you work on 100 projects a year. There's no way you're going to remember the release date of every single one of them. I have a Calendly which I've set up. You can set up one, they're free. You send them out to clients, they put in the release date for you, so it just pops up on your calendar when somebody's release is coming out. That way you can give them credit where credit's due. Hope this helped you, and until next time, take care.